Hey everyone, Paul here from freeyournow.com, and in today's video I wanted to do something a little bit different. I'm outside just about to start doing some landscaping work with my John Deere tractor. Here's my front yard as it looks right now. As you can see, this is where I had the root that I ripped out the other day. Here's another root this was a smaller tree. There's the root from it. So I gotta get that all cleaned up, and I'm going to be trying to level this this front yard part here. And there's my pile of gravel that I'll be using to landscape this a little bit. Anyways, just wanted to shoot a quick video, and I'm going to try doing a little time-lapse video with this GoPro to see what it looks like as I work out here on the front yard. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a bit.